opening on Friday right here is price getting quick push to the upside during long on kill zone. And sometimes it ends by Friday midday and the rest of the day during Friday in most cases. During those healthy weekly candles is classic buy days, London kill zone law of the week, near kill zone continuation, ideally focusing on our magnet area, focusing on long positions only. Let's talk about timing, days of the weeks when we are expecting to see a reversal, when we are expecting to see liquidity accumulation, and then we are expecting to see distribution, what kill zones to actually focus on, when it's best to stay on the sidelines, and all the other most important factors. It's a simple trading week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What I like to do the most is look at the week and at the trading day. So now we are talking about the whole trading week, and we are talking about the whole trading day. From the New York Midnight Open, so this means Asian range, New York Midnight Open, price moving during long on kill zone, and then moving into near kill zone. From that part, as you guys know, what we have is long on close. So one of the easiest ways to look at this whole thing is from a power of three perspective. And now what is power of three for those who don't know? Power of three is accumulation, then manipulation, and then distribution. So we are going to dig into all of that, but now starting with the bigger picture and talking about the weekly time frame delivery, what we usually expect inside of the week to play out and so on, this is exactly what we focus on. The best examples are born, or at least how I personally learn the best, is when I have their visuals comparing one thing that I already know very well with another thing. So most of you here, I think, very well know already that when we are expecting, let's say, for a classic buy day to take place, let's say we have a daily stage that is pointing to the upside. So we are expecting for a classic buy day, which is London kill zone law of the day and near kill zone continuation. So we're talking about a bullish example here. What Monday in most cases is Asian range. And what is taking place in Asian range? In most cases, price is accumulating liquidity. It doesn't have clear direction. There is no real intention behind price action. In other words, price is not really giving clear directions right here. It could feel like it. Sometimes price does start a specific one on Monday towards a P rate as it will want to key off and trade away from for the rest of the week. And what I'm talking about is, let's say if we have a specific bullish P rate right here that we want to see price get reached, let's say on 1 hour or 4 hour, if we are talking about a bigger lower time frame picture. And let's say what we have on Monday is price actually starting to slowly melt towards this T rate. So sometimes what we have right here is still a pretty low volume range, but in other words, price is still in a way giving the direction that we need. And what happens on Tuesday when they switch from Monday to Tuesday right here, what we start focusing on is a potential low of the week to form. Now, not always that happens, but in most cases, from my personal experience, the low or high of the week, when they have everything else aligning from direction to P race, the low or high of the week during those high probability environments forms either on Tuesday or on Wednesday. So in other words, if we now talk in day trading terms, in day trading topics, Tuesday or Wednesday becomes like a London kill zone during a classic buy day. Remember, when it forms a low of the day and New York kill zone gives a continuation. So this one switches from one to another. Sometimes Tuesday becomes the London kill zone like type of development when it forms the low of the week right here. And then what we see during Wednesday and Thursday right here is price giving a New York kill zone type of delivery. Their price gives a continuation. So I hope you are following this and I hope this making sense. Just a very quick break from the video to remind you guys that we do run a very professionally made community where we offer one-on-one feedback, do multiple updates throughout the entire trading day, share our trades, explain all the most important details, why we are taking what we are taking, making full trade breakdowns, sharing lessons from technical to psychology. Here are just some of the achievements from our members. We truly focus on high probability professional trading, ignoring all the market noise, focusing on the best opportunities out there to maximize gains while controlling the downside. Even during rough, choppy periods in the markets, our number one priority is to come on top, managing the drawdown, focusing on the process that really takes care of the outcome, giving our members month after month positive returns. So that is enough about that, and we will see you inside. Now, back to the video. So from a bigger perspective right here, if Monday is like an Asian range, Tuesday or Wednesday, when we have a clear area where we want to see price reach and reverse from, or let's say a very strong liquidity pool that we want to see get traded, if we are talking about bullish delivery right here, a bullish example, Tuesday or Wednesday in most cases becomes like one large London kill zone when we expect for a low of the week to form. And if the low of the week forms on Tuesday, then what we have is Wednesday and Thursday as potential expansion days, as potential continuation days, something that we can compare to near chill zone when they have a classic buy day, expecting for the near chill zone to give a clear continuation towards our magnet area. So if our magnet area is somewhere around here, we expect for price to continue the move. And after that, on Friday, switch back into similar type of development that we have right here on during Mondays, which is in this case would be compared to London close kill zone. If the target is reached by Thursday right here, that's very likely that Friday right here will become a simple continuation or a reaction to opposing bearish P-D ray or that liquidity run, let's say that you targeted, it simply becomes a reaction, something that we usually see during London close kill zones. Again, then the target is already reached. Is the volume and momentum and direction literally just dying off and price either pulling back, reacting, or just literally doing nothing, moving sideways. Now, another key factor to keep in mind is that now, if the main drawn liquidity to the magnet area, let's say right here, if it's not reached by Thursday, what often we see opening on Friday right here is price getting quick push to the upside during London kill zone. But then in the middle of the day, if in the first half the main target is reached, Friday completes the job right here, and after that it dies down into this London close kill zone type of delivery. Then we again see low volume type of formation, price moving without intention, the main job is done right here, the main target is reached. So if we would inverse that, this is the same on the bearish situation. Let's say if Monday is Asia range, Tuesday or Wednesday becomes the days where we expect for the high of the week to take place. If the high of the week takes place on Tuesday, then we expect Wednesday and Thursday to continue trading towards our main target. If let's say we see more consolidation, more delivery during Tuesday right here, and Wednesday forms the high of the week, then what we expect for Thursday is to become that near kill zone type of continuation. If the target is reached by Thursday, on Friday we will expect for price to move a bit slower, giving London close type of delivery. Again, no intention, just reacting to the main target area that you have. Either it's imbalance, some specific liquidity pool, or anything else. But if let's say we get a close on Thursday, price not really reaching the main target area, then on Friday in the first half of the day we expect for price to continue trading in that same direction, and from the midday usually price shifts into this London close kill zone type of delivery, similar to what we see during Asia range, which is again very indecisive, low volume type of delivery. And if we now invert back and talk about a bullish scenario, what we are actually seeing right here is, you guys can see what we have here. If we talk about power of three type of formations, what we have here during Monday and sometimes even Tuesday is accumulation when price is building liquidity. Then what we get on Tuesday or sometimes Wednesday is price manipulating, so forming a manipulation, running liquidity into specific PD rays, leaving a low or high of the week. So again, this can happen on Tuesday or Wednesday in most cases during those clear and clean weekly expansion candles. So if we talk about expansion candle here from weekly time frame perspective, the cleanest options are again when price is on Monday just moving right here, Tuesday or Wednesday leaves the wick right here and low of the week, and then during either Wednesday or Thursday and first half of Friday, what we see is expansion, price hits the target right here and leaves the high again either on Thursday or on Friday, and after that Friday shifts into the London close kill zone type of delivery, again just consolidating and so on, closing the week right here. So what we have here is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and this is exactly what we focus on right here. So if let's say Tuesday forms a low of the week, what we have right here for the rest of the week towards our magnet area is distribution, and again this varies. Sometimes it ends by Thursday's near kill zone or London close kill zone, and sometimes it ends by Friday midday, and the rest of the day during Friday in most cases during those healthy weekly candles shifts into consolidation and shows no clear high probability trades. So if we talk about trading itself, very rarely that I trade Mondays, and 100% of the time I skip the first half of Monday. In other words, I absolutely don't trade London kill zone on Mondays. And regarding near kill zone, rarely I take positions. Regarding Tuesday, sometimes I aim for these quick in and out scalps when I have this PD rate that I'm aiming for, that I know that price will reach before reversing. Sometimes I bank on quick scalps, where here, once price bottoms out, if we get a near kill zone, let's say universal, or a long kill zone reversal, and the stars pushing right away, this is obviously when we can jump into the distribution type of a phase right away, if again we get that very sharp low of the week on Tuesday already. And then regarding Wednesday, Thursday, and sometimes even Friday, what we focus on right here is classic buy days, London kill zone low of the week, near kill zone continuation, ideally focusing on our magnet area, focusing on long positions only. So that is all for this lesson. I hope it was insightful. I hope I covered some parts that you didn't know before. I tried to make it as simple and as clear as I possibly can. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.